Yo, Red.
Yo, let's start. Is it done? How much TPs have we had?
I guess three, maybe.
We have three trades, and how much did it hit TP?
Uh, three and three hit TP. In one we didn't give, and in one we, yeah, probably didn't give in two, and in three we gave and TP hit. I think in one we gave, it didn't really
Well,
happen.
I know
Neither
this one.
SL neither TP.
Well, I know this one here hit TP. This one here hit TP. I don't know about the previous ones because I deleted them.
We have to check the streams.
Yeah, we will check it out. So yeah, hello everyone. As you can see, the liquidity swings that I marked. This This swing, it got taken out. This was the swing. We see this blue line. This was the swing that I was waiting for the entry to take place on. Well, it did. Well, it did got taken out by the swing, and then it went down to till RTP. This little swing liquidity that
Yo, Red, we can't hear you.
hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
So yes, the first swing that I marked, the bigger swing liquidity. Let me go to the 1 hour to show you. This blue line that I marked, the swing. The blue line swing that I marked, liquidity got taken out and our TP and went till our entry and then got downwards to our TP. The small swing liquidity that I marked, which I have marked in purple color. Let me change because it is matching the support zone. Yes. No. Your blue, what color should I choose?
You can choose a green, yellow.
Yeah, now I'm choosing yellow, but it is matching with the white background.
Um, purple. Choose purple. No, purple. No. Let's just choose
No, just
green.
let me.
Just
Yeah, I think so too. Let's just go to green. So, this green zone that I just marked, this green line that was marked before, this got taken out by this liquid right here, which went till daily low and took out the daily low.
hmm,
Well, right now I guess we have this much. Well, I guess right now I have shown you what happened due to the liquidity that was on the previous charts. Let's go to check out what will happen furthermore. View blue, how can I erase them easily without? Is there an eraser here?
there is no eraser, but you can delete all the drawings
No,
in the.
I do not want to read all the drawings.
You can go to object, Red. You can go in the right sidebar, right side panel,
Right side panel.
right side panel, and the third option, object tree, third option.
Yes,
Huh.
yes, yes. Okay, okay.
You don't have to select everyone. You can just delete it.
Now I want to check. I want to check what
Okay.
was up. Downloads. Trend line. What is this trend line? Read this trend line. Okay, okay. Well, we are now fine. So let's go to the daily time frame. Well, right now I am still I cannot still decide what bias could be on for daily because it is in support zone. All the news that are being released right now are favoring gold to go on a bullish position. But still, because of the Middle East tensions, gold is still falling. You know, the US Iran tensions, gold is still falling. But whatever news US is releasing right now is forcing to gold to go upwards. But it does, but maybe I don't know what is happening, but gold uh, rises a little bit because of the news US is releasing, but still falls down. That is what we have seen, I guess, when the CPI data was released and all the other news was released, gold went up a little, but then it continued its downwards momentum. Well, right now we still don't know if gold is going to go upwards. Right now, my bias is bullish.
Yo, Red, we can't hear you.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Can you all hear me right now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Two, two, three. Hello, is my voice reaching?
Yes, your voice is reaching. Yo, your voice is not coming.
Oh. Hello, is this reaching right now?
Yes, now it's reaching.
I'm asking you if my bias was being heard when I was talking about it. Was my mic
You,
open?
um, we only heard your voice is bullish and no explanation whatsoever.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to say it again. My bias is bullish right now because gold is in its support zone. That is the most easiest way that I can think of. But
Yes.
the thing is, go my I still cannot completely decide what my bias is right now because whatever news US is releasing like CPI data etc is forcing gold to go upwards. But there is our major US and Iran tensions, the Middle East tensions right now, which is forcing gold to continue its downwards momentum no matter what the news US releases. We have seen it in the previous days, like the CPI data was released, gold went up a little, but then continued its downwards momentum. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. Until the sport zone is not broken, we, also think this is bullish, and because also the reason that US is downplaying the war and trying to purposefully and just making gold go up. But the people are not buying this shit. They are they know what is happening.
Yes, they know what is happening. They are not buying this because gold is kind of, in an extremely dangerous position right now. It has just fallen from 5600 level to 4000 level. That is approx, I guess, $1,600 that gold has just fallen down. If you see from the people's standpoint, It is not an extremely attractive asset to buy. Something that has just fallen down that much, and we still don't know how much it could fall down. Who would buy it? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So right now, I think so. People are still maybe buying so much gold because it is of low price. But the thing is, it is still falling down because US and Iran war. Because of the US and Iran war, the gold is still not activated in India.
You're right, we can't hear you because of US Iran war.
Hello,
Hello, yes.
what is happening to my mic? I don't know. Wait a second, should I attach it from PC? Should I try it from PC
Yes, you can
instead of
try. Please try.
mobile?
Yes, try. So, guys, as your host Red was saying, that the bias is for now bullish since in a support zone, and of course, US is downplaying the war, and so might have a slight chance to go up, but I don't think so. And the support will break. Until it breaks, I'm still bullish, and when support breaks, we are bearish. Okay, so after host red comes, we will go to the analysis fundamentals. This is for fundamentals.
Hello, 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 mic testing. Hello, is my voice coming? Yo, blue.
Yes, your voice is coming.
Okay, can you check the stream and check if this voice is coming from the stream? Fine, because I've just lowered down the speaker volume of PC, so I do not know if it is coming fine or not. Check
Okay,
out the
I'm
stream
checking,
voice.
but yes, I'm checking. But by the way, Red, your voice is a lot uh, less than before.
Yes, because I have decreased the speaker, I think, from 100 to 16, because I've put on
Okay,
the speaker. Wait a second, can you hear me right now?
I can hear you.
How much is it? Has the voice increased on the stream or not?
It is less.
It is still less. Well, I think I should
E-
transfer to the phone, because On the PC, I've decreased it from the speaker volume from 100 to 16. That is why the volume is still low.
Hmm.
I should just change to full. Can you hear
Okay.
me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello,
Yes.
hello.
Yes, that's much better.
Okay, let's just continue right now quickly. Yo, Blue, you can just point out again quickly when my voice is not coming. Okay, let's just do quickly right now. Well, let's mark the previous day high and previous day low. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Right now, the 4-hour does not have any kind of major swing that I want to mark. Still, there is a swing right here. Can you hear me cleanly?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. In my opinion, we need to take out the high right now here. So for it to go down, this is the only major liquidity that we have because the gap down liquidity has been taken out. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. The gap
Well,
down
in my
liquidity is
opinion,
taken.
we can expect a short from here till here.
Okay.
But the thing is, if we because
Hello, Red. Your voice is not coming again.
hello, hello, hello.
Yes. Yes. Now. Now. Yes.
Okay, so this is what I'm thinking of. In my opinion, I guess gold is whenever gold comes down to the support zone, it consolidates a little and then shoots upwards while manipulating, or either it shows clean breakouts. It gives sharp swings right now, and this is why, or either it consolidates. This is why, in my opinion, I cannot place guarantee on 4024 short. But if you still want to, take this short, target this low, or target this, or target this, my only advice would be to not risk as much as you would on your actual or trade. What do you think, Blue? Because this is
Yes.
just reaching out of support zone, you still do not know where it would show so much high momentum that it takes out your SL.
Yes, I agree with you. We should be cautious.
No?
Yo, Red,
Hello,
we can't
hello,
hear you. Yes. Yes.
hello,
Yes. Yes.
hello.
Yes. Yes.
Well, because of the lower upper wick, I feel there is a high selling momentum here, which can also be proven by gap down liquidity. Gap down liquidity only happens when there is a high amount of sellers during the weekend.
Hmm.
So this long upper wick has shown me there is extremely high selling momentum here. What I can do is I would just, you know, place my TP there, and my SL would be, I guess, above. Hmm, my SL would be, uh, um, my SL would be right here. Below this imbalance high wicks candle right here.
Okay.
So yes, I guess this is it for gold right now. Yo, do you think we are missing something?
No, I don't think we're missing something. Let's jump to DXY.
Well, this is it. This is DXY. Gold DXY took hold of its support zone. You know, it shot upwards till the resistance zone that I marked, and now it is showing resistance at the place. It has taken out the liquidity of, I guess, what is this? It has taken out the liquidity of Thursday. It is still not taken out the liquidity of Friday's high. So I guess let's just move this till here and this till here. It is showing extremely high resistance through this zone. As you can see, it is showing high resistance through the zone. There is showing extremely high wicks. No, nothing has closed in the zone. All have closed below the zone. So I have a high chance DXY is going to go down, which proves my theory that we cannot expect that we do not have completely high amount of accuracy on the gold shot that I have just given. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. If DXY tends to go down, then we can't sell gold.
Hmm. Well, right now,
You're red, we can't hear you.
hello, hello,
Yes,
hello, is my voice coming?
yes.
Okay, so let me continue what I've just said quickly because we are facing technical issue on our side, on my side actually. So right now I've just marked the trendline liquidity on DXY on the 4 hour. This candle right now of the 2 a.m. Monday, this 4 hour candle has shown me extremely high selling momentum from the resistance zone. This is because of the long wick, which I guess has taken out this thing. I guess the high was 0.867 and this is 0.866. No, the high has not taken out, but it was still on a very s- close. Like this one's high is 0.866. This one's high is 0.867. Only 0.0001 higher was this. Well, it has shown me extremely high selling momentum from here. So I guess it is going to reach down to take this liquidity, this swing low liquidity today, which I guess it is the daily low.
Okay.
Yes, I guess this is it. 4 hour time frame. This liquidity right now, because DXY has also taken down the gap up liquidity. Gold had taken out the gap up liquidity. So I guess it is going to reach down to take this liquidity.
We can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes.
Right now, I think this is what is happening because I think gold has taken out the gap down liquidity. DXY has taken out the gap up liquidity. It has shown a clean reversal pattern here. You could see a clean V-shaped pattern is being formed downwards. with a long imbalance. My According to my strat is gold is bullish today, DXY is bearish today. I guess this is it for today. What do you think, Blue?
I think you are right, but I want to point out that daily high wasn't taken. So is this reversal really
Hello,
valid
hello,
or hello? Can you hear me?
hello, Blue.
Yes. Hello. Can you hear me?
Wait a minute. Hello, Blue. Hello, 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 Blue.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Continue.
Yes, I was saying the daily high wasn't taken. So is this reversal really that strong?
Wait a second. I cannot hear you right now. I don't know what is happening. Wait a minute. Yes, can you say it again?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you right now.
Now I was saying the daily high wasn't taken. So is this reversal really that much strong?
Well, the thing is, I'm expecting daily reversal right now because there was a clean pattern of daily emerging. This liquidity has been taken out. You know, the string liquidity has been taken out on the 15-minute time frame, and I am expecting short to go downwards because of the high resistance zone.
Okay.
You can see, hello, hello.
Hello. Yes. Yes.
You can see whenever it went down, whenever it reaches into the resistance zone, it is going downwards in a
Yes.
clean selling. But right now, because of this, I think this point, it took, I don't think so. It took out the previous day's liquidity high, but because of this zone high was just formed on Friday. This is the Friday high, and
Okay.
it has just taken out this liquidity of swing of Friday. I think so. You are right. We cannot expect selling, but I think so. If it reaches upwards again and then goes downwards, we can expect a selling there. But the thing is, it is in a resistance zone right now, so we
Yes.
cannot expect anything else except it selling. Well, it can tap
Okay.
in again and then sell down again. We'll have to see on the hourly time frame. Yes. As you can see, right now the candle that is just formed, it has 17 minutes until it completely forms, and it is getting extremely high selling pressure from both sides, from the upside to from the downside. Maybe I think so. Blue is right. It is going to take out the liquidity high and then go downwards because right now it is in the liquidity in the gap up liquidity zone, which has a high amount of selling pressure. And that is why I think so. Both sellers and buyers are fighting right now for their position because both the candles have equal wicks right now. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. It can go up or it can go down.
Hmm. But I guess this is it for today. DXY is right now a little ranging because of the gap up liquidity zone. In our opinion, I think because of blue, I'm right now also believing that it is going to take the Friday high and then go down. Well, then we could expect my short position to work on gold. I guess this is
Yes.
for today. Am I missing something?
No, you're not missing anything in.
Well, then I guess this is it for today. Yo, did this just happen right now? There's
No,
this position. It went till here and then fell down. I guess this much. Has it just happened right now?
Um,
Hello.
uh, yes, yes, I'm seeing this. Yeah, I don't think so. This happened just now. This. Oh, wait, wait. What is the time? 6:10. Yeah, this might have happened while we were not watching, or maybe we were watching.
I guess I should have taken this right now. This has just made my another con what do you think? Make my another topic extremely strong, and that is never to underestimate zones or say or borders of a gap down or gap up liquidity. Because in my opinion, I guess they are extremely amount high accuracy points because gap down and gap up liquidity only happens when there is a high amount of sellers or buyers during the weekend. As you can see, there was a high amount of sellers at this point right here. At this point right here, there was a high amount of sellers. Closely right now, we can see this was the point, I guess. Let me mark. This was the point where there was high amount of selling, which made the during the weekend, which made the gap down liquidity. When gold reached till up here, it took this swing and then went down, restricting this block, the gap down liquidity. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. And the zone wasn't broken because the candle didn't close upwards.
Yeah,
It was
yes,
respected.
yes. Yo, Blue, hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Now, do you think, am I missing something or should we just end the stream?
I don't think you're missing something.
Well then, guys, this was day 5. Tune it in the next stream, I guess. And please tell us if you think that the time right now is good for the stream or should we change it.